Let's do the Mumbai salsa.
This is the last time I can possibly take this class. I've got a 69 average. Could you just give me one more point so I'll pass this class this semester, please?
So you just need 1 point to pass it?
All I need is 1 point.
Okay.
Just 1 point.
Okay, so we'll have to talk about that to see what really 1 point means in your average.
Well, I have a 69 average. I just need 1 point.
Okay.
I've taken this class 6 times. I've got to get that out of here this time.
Okay, we'll see, John, what we can do for you. Okay.
In mathematics, a percentage is a way of expressing a number as a fraction. We use the preposition of to identify how many parts per hundred, and it comes from the Latin word centum. It is often denoted using the percent sign as we see it here. Percentages are used to express how large or small one quantity is relative to another quantity. We're going to be using this bar to give you a representation of percentages. Each section will represent 10 points. So in this bar we have, if we just take one box out of the 10 that are available, 10 out of the 100 boxes that we have, the value of the total boxes is going to be equivalent to 1%. In John's math class, we accumulated 1,000 points. John's currently have 69%, that is equivalent to 690 of the 1,000 boxes. John is requesting 1 point. That will mean that the box that is left to complete the 70, he's asking for 1 point out of the 10 points available for that activity. The grade distribution for the course is 9 boxes will be equivalent to 900 points out of 1,000, and that will be the A. 80 boxes will be 800 points out of 1,000, and that is 80%, will represent the B. 70 boxes are 700 points out of 1,000, and that will be equivalent to 70%. And passing the course requires a 70% or higher. I was wondering, what does John really need in order to pass this class? Is it really 1 point, as he asked in the video? Is it really 10 points? Is it 1%? Or is it 100 points? I'll give you some time to think about it.
Hopefully by now you have had enough time to figure this one out. What does John need to pass this math class? Is it 1 point? If John, as he asked for 1 point, gets 1 point, he will have, his average will be 69.1%. And that is not enough to pass the class with the 70%. If he asks for 10 points, then he's asking for 10 points out of the total number of points that we have accumulated in this class, that is 1,000 points. So it's 10 points out of 1,000, and that is equivalent to 1%, which is exactly what John needs in order to pass this class. Questions answer C provides you with the answer of 1%. So answers B and C are equivalent, but they are expressed in different forms. So both of them will be acceptable, but you have to express them in the right context. Then 100 points, that's really absolutely too much. So hopefully by now John would really understand that he is really asking for a lot, and the best thing to do is for him to study for this final exam to earn those 10 additional points that he needs in order to pass this class.